Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how to cancel a subscription you barely use? Yeah, me too. It's like they make it intentionally difficult, right? Well, today, we're tackling one of those subscription mysteries head-on, Favepay. Specifically, how to cancel your Favepay subscription. Because let's be honest, sometimes things just don't work out, and you need to move on. Maybe you're not using it enough, maybe your budget has shifted, or maybe you've just found a better alternative. Whatever the reason, you're here, and I'm here to help. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch on what Favepay actually is. For those unfamiliar, it's a digital payment method often used for food deliveries, dining, and other lifestyle services. Think of it as a digital wallet that often comes with perks and promotions. It's convenient when you're actively using it, but like any subscription, it can become a burden if you're not. So, if you're ready to break up with Favepay, you've come to the right place. The good news is, canceling your Favepay subscription isn't rocket science. It's not hidden behind layers of confusing menus or endless customer service queues. It's actually a pretty straightforward process. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to access your Favepay account. This usually means opening the Fave app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, of course. You can't cancel a subscription if you're not even in your account. Once you're in the app, look for a section related to your profile or account settings. This might be represented by an icon of a person, a gear, or something similar. Every app is designed slightly differently, so it might take a little bit of exploring. But generally, these settings are usually found in the bottom right corner or within a menu accessible from the top left corner of the app. Within your profile or account settings, you should find an option related to your subscriptions, payments, or wallet. Again, the exact wording might vary, but look for keywords like subscriptions, Favepay, payments, or wallet. Tap on this option. Here's where you should see a list of your active subscriptions, if you have any. Find Favepay in that list. It should clearly state that it's an active subscription. Now, for the big moment. Select the Favepay subscription. You should be presented with details about your subscription, including the option to cancel. Look for a button or link that says something like Cancel Subscription, Unsubscribe, or Terminate. It might be in red, or it might be a small, unassuming link. Don't be afraid to tap it. Once you've found the cancel option, tap it. You might be asked to confirm your cancellation. This is a precautionary measure to make sure you don't accidentally cancel something you didn't mean to. So, double-check that you're canceling the correct subscription and confirm the cancellation. You might also be asked to provide a reason for canceling. This is usually optional, but it helps Fave understand why people are leaving. You can choose a reason from the list provided or simply decline to answer. After confirming, you should receive a notification or confirmation message stating that your Favepay subscription has been successfully canceled. It might also tell you when the cancellation will take effect. Sometimes, you'll retain access until the end of the current billing cycle, and other times, it might be immediate. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Favepay subscription. See? Not as scary as you thought, right? Just a few simple steps, and you're free from that recurring charge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.